Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Guys, again I am going to solve the same question to find the domain, but we have a different pattern, right? So the question I'm going to write down here. The question, find the domain of the function is given, which is fx square root. Okay, this is your question. Right, so the question here, we have 0.625. And the power is 4 minus 2x. 4 minus 3x, sorry. 4 minus 3x minus 1.6, and the power is x plus 8. X plus 8. The first power is 4 minus 3x minus x plus 8. This is 1.6 and minus 0.625. This is your question, right? The question here, in square root 0.625, the power is 4 minus 3x minus 1.6 x plus 8. Okay, and we have to find the domain of this one. Okay, so I'm going to solve this question. See guys, again if you see, right, you will find this question has a square root function, right? And I told you, whenever you have a square root, okay, for the function defined, the x must be 0 or greater than 0. Very simple. Okay, we solve all the questions based on that. Okay, if we know the condition for the square root function, when the function exists, we can solve all the questions. Okay, so here you can see this is a square root function and we have these things. Okay, so I'm going to write down here 0.625, and the power is how much? 4 minus 3x minus 1.6, and the power is what? x plus 8, right? This one must be what? 0 or greater than 0, this one. Okay, so you can say this is 0.625, power is 4 minus 3x, this is minus, shifted on the right side, it becomes 1.6, and the power is what? x plus 8, right? Okay, so here you can say this question can be written as 0.625 divided by 1. If you cancel the point here, 1, 2, 3, you can use a 3, 0 here. And the power is how much? 4 minus 3. In the same way, you have 1.6, cancel this one and make 1, 0, right? This, you know, in grade 6 or 7. So this is what? X and x plus 8. And all must be what? 0 or greater than 0. Now you can say, I'm going to solve this question. I will reduce this rational function. You can say this rational number. So if you say I'm going to divide by 5, so 5, 1, 5, right? 1, this becomes 12, so 5, 2, 12, and 5, 5, 25, right? And here 5, 2, 10, and this is 2, 0. And the power is what? 4 minus 3x here also. 2 multiplied by 8, 16, 2 multiplied by 5, 10, so you can say 8 by 5, and the power x multiplied by x is x square, x multiplied by 8, which is 8x, and this must be what? 0 or greater than 0, right? And next I will solve here. So you can say here 1, 2, 5, so again I'm going to cancel this one. So 5 multiplied by 2, 12, and 5, 5, 25. So we have, you can say here 25, divided by 5, 420 means 4, and this is 0, right? And then the power is how much? 4 minus 3x, and this must be what? 8 by 5, the same thing, 8 by 5. And the power is x squared plus 8x, right? So copy and paste x squared plus 8x. So why we have written this one? No need to write this one, sorry. Okay? Because this is minus shifted on the right side, so this is your condition, right? Now again you can just cancel 5, 5, 25, 5, 8, 40. You have 5 over 8. This is 4 minus 3x, and this is what? 8 divided by 5. And the power is x squared plus 8x. Guys, here you can say this is 5 by 8. Okay. Here I'm going to take minus common, so it will be what? 3x minus 4. So this can be written as what? This is copy and paste, 8 by 5 x squared plus 8x. Now you can say this minus can be written as here 5 power minus 1, 8 power minus 1, and this is 3x minus 4. This can be written as 8 by 5 and x squared plus 8x. So this is minus 1, it goes up, so it will be 8, and this is 5. Here 8 goes up and 5 goes down, so you have 3x minus 4, and here we have 8 divided by 5 x squared plus 8x, right? Now we can say that here the base on the both sides have the same, right? So when the both side, when the base are the same on the both sides, then we can say the power in inequality will be the same. As you can say, this power will be greater than the power of this one, right? So you can write this one here. I'm going to write down, I will erase first. Okay, so now we can say we have here we can say 8 over 5. This is the power is 3x minus 4. This is greater than equal to 8 by 5, and the power is how much? X squared plus 8x, right? So now here the base is same, so we can say this can be written as 3x minus 4 is greater than or equal to x squared plus 8x, right? Now you can solve this question. It will be x squared minus 8x plus 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. This will be minus x squared minus 8x plus 3x, which is minus 5x minus 4, right? And remember one thing I told you in my previous lecture, in inequality, when you are going to divide by minus 1 or multiplied by minus 1, the sign of inequality always change, right? So this will be what? Positive, this will be positive, this is also positive, and this is less than or equal to 0. Look, this sign of inequality changes. And now it's so easy, you can solve this question. X squared plus 5x plus 4, if you factorize this one, you find you can solve this question, and it can be written as x plus 4 x plus 1, right? So x plus 4 x plus 1, when you multiply you have this one, right? So x squared x and 4x 5x, and this is 4, right? Listen now, okay? Not every question I'm going to explain you deep. So whenever you have two, you can see you have two linear factors, right? It's two linear factors, right? Find out the zeros first. So what is the zeros here? Minus 4. Here what is the zeros? Minus 1, right? So what you have to do, draw a line here, okay? And this is inequality, right? And this means what? We want 0 as well as less than, right? So where is minus 1? Minus 1 will be here, and minus 4 will be here, right? Oh, I'm sorry, this is minus 1, this is minus 4. Okay, so always, this side will be always positive. This side, if you take any number here, right? Like for example, if I say a 0, so if you put here 0 plus 4, 0 plus 1, in each case you will find 4 multiplied by 1, 4, which is positive. So this is positive, this will be negative, this will be what, positive again. You can check this one. Remember one thing in your mind, whenever this is what, less than, again, whenever this one is less than, whenever this is less than, I will consider the negative section only, right? So we will say the domain will be what, from -4 to -1. Now the question arises that which bracket we will use. So here this is equal to, so I'm going to use what, a close bracket. So if you take -4 to -1, again, if you are going to take any number from -4 to -1, this condition satisfied, right? But if this is what, only the greater than 0, then you have to take this part and this part, means -infinity to -4 and -1 to positive infinity, okay? But here this is what, less than 0. Whenever you see less than 0, you have to consider the negative section only, means -4 to -1. I told you this one in my previous lectures, right? So the domain is from -1 to -4 of the given function. I hope guys you all understand. Still, if you have a problem, you just write down the comments, and whenever we have a time, I will reply you. Take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.